In this video, I'm going to use the posterior sickle scaler to scale number 2, 3, and 29 and 30. I'm going to use the posterior sickle scale with modified pen grasp. I'm sitting at the 8 or 9 o'clock position. And first I'm going to determine if I have the correct working end. So the functional shank is up and over the occlusal tooth, and it also hugs the mesial surface. This is what a incorrect working end would look like. So I'm starting at the distal line angle at a 45-degree angle positioning. I'm starting side to side, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, down. The posterior sickle scaler is also a supragingival instrument only, so we will go 1 millimeter subgingivally at most. Again, at the distal buccal line angle of number 29, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll. Once halfway into the interproximal space, we go up, down, down. I'm going at the mesiobuccal line angle, starting side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, down. Now I'm doing the lingual surfaces of teeth number 29 and 30, starting at the distal buccal line angle, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, down, down. Number 29, starting at distal buccal line angle, sitting at 10 o'clock, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, down, down. Mesiobuccal line angle, up, down, 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 down. Number 29. I'm going to do the buccal surfaces of number 3 and 4. I'm going to choose the correct working end. Working end hugs the mesial surface of the tooth. I'm sitting at the 8 o'clock position. I'm starting side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, down. And again, number 4, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, down. I'm going the mesiobuccal line angle, going towards the mesial. Side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, down. Number 4, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, up, down, up, down. Now I'm doing the lingual surfaces of teeth number 3 and 4. This is the correct working end. Starting with the distal of number 3, the distal buccal line and the distal mesial line angle. Side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, up, down. Side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, up, down. Now towards the mesial, side to side, pivot, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, side, up, down, up, down. Side to side, pivot, roll, side to side, pivot, roll, up, down, up, down.